My first degree in theater is just a general drama, North American BA in drama. But I did the honors program at University of Alberta, so we were required to write like a small thesis. And that was the first time that I wrote about Yiddish in performance culture. And then I went on to do my master's degree in England, and my master's degree is in Devised Theater. And Devised Theater is, it's a really large umbrella term, actually, that is very inclusive, but it's essentially alternative methods of creating theater, non-hierarchical theater. So you don't start with a play and a playwright. You start with it doesn't have to be an ensemble, you can start with an individual, but essentially you start with the idea, and through any number of methods you develop the product. It's very process-based, and the process is generally much, much, much longer than traditional script-based theater. It's here, devised theater, the word devised is starting to become popular in North America finally, but here the closest thing until recently was collective creation, which is very similar but implies an ensemble. And devised theater can also be solo work. So if I was to go in with an ensemble, which is my preferred method, I consider myself a director and facilitator. So I am a member of the ensemble, but if need be, I'm the one who steps out. And I'm the one who facilitates the process of creation. So you go into a room with an ensemble, you look at what everybody's strengths are and how you can use those strengths to create performance. In terms of Yiddish and adding Yiddish to it, my MA work looked at how we could take traditional prompts like a piece of music or an image that related to Yiddish culture, a letter, a piece of text, and use those as what we built upon. So take those and turn them into theater.